Hello children, today I am going to solve value based question and hot questions of chapter 13 so that you can solve the problem of brain teaser easily. So now we start to solve value based questions of chapter 13. Question says, given below is the number of saplings of the eco club members of a school in different years. Years 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, and number of saplings 10, 20, 30, 15, 35, 25. Now in question A, plot a graph for this information. In question B, what other activities can be taken by eco club members? Name any one. Question C says, what value of the eco club members is depicted here? Solution of question A. Children, in question A we have draw a graph for this information. For this we draw a perpendicular line like this, and other perpendicular line, horizontal line x o and y o. xo is x-axis and y-o is a y-axis, as you know. Now we take a year on x-axis, years on x-axis, and number of saplings, number of saplings on y-axis. Now we put a suitable scale on x-axis, one week division is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis, 1 week division is equal to 10 units. Thus here year will be 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014 and 2015, like this. And on the y-axis, number of saplings is starting from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. Now we try to plot point 2010 or 10. 2010 and 10 are the order pair of point, first point. So first point comes here, and second point 2011 and 20 comes here, and 2012 and 30 will be here, and 2013 and 15 will comes here, and 2014 and 35 will be come here, and 2015 and 25 will come here. Now we join the points with a straight line. And write the order pair of each point. First point is 2010 or 10. Second point 2011 and 20. Our third point is 2012 and 30. Fourth point is 2013 and 15, and order pair of fifth point 2014 and 35, and last point 2015 and 25. Thus our graph is ready, but students in previous classes I realized that most of the students were not putting king on graph in proper way. So let me tell you that you have to put king on a graph only when graph is not starting from 0. Now what does this mean? Not starting from 0? Let me explain this from this particular example. See students, here on x-axis I put a king because on x-axis gap is not same from 2010 onwards. Gap is of 1 unit, but before that we have a gap of 2010 0 to 2010, that is not proper. So we put here king. What is king? It is clear, children? In question B, what other activities can be taken by Eco Club members? Name any one. Children, you can give answer of this type of questions yourselves, and your answers may be differ from student to student, but for your convenience I give an answer that the member of Eco Club can say no to plastic bag. Now in question C, ask what value of the Eco Club members is depicted here. Children, we can say that they take care of the environment. Now we start hot questions. Question number 1. On a Cartesian plane, plot the given points A 1 1, B 5 1, C 5 5 and D 1 5. Join the points in order. Question A. What figures do you get? In question B, write coordinates of the point of intersection of the diagonal. Question C. Are the diagonals equal? Do they intersect each other at right angles? Use a scale and protractor. Solution. Children, for this we form a Cartesian plane. As you know, for forming Cartesian plane, we draw x-axis and y-axis. After that, we put numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on the x-axis and y-axis. Now we plot the given point A. Point A is 1 1. Point A falls here. Point B 5 1, that falls here, and point C 5 5, that falls here, and point D 1 5, that falls here. Now we join the all points with a straight line. Like this. This is point A 1 1, point B 5 1, point C 5 5 and point D 1 5. In question A, ask what figure do you get? Children, clearly we can say that this figure is a square, because AB equal to 5 minus 1 equal to 4, and BC is equal to 5 minus 1 4, and CD equal to AB equal to 4 units and DA equal to BC equal to 4 units. So AB equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. All sides are equal to 4 units. So this is a square. In question B, write coordinates of the point of intersection of the diagonals. For this, we draw diagonal AC and diagonal BD. Both diagonal intersect at this point. Let this point be O, and the coordinate, you have to write the coordinate of this point. The coordinate of this point O will be 3 3 3 3, because x coordinate and y coordinate both are 3 and 3. So solution of question B O3 3. In question C, are the diagonals equal? Do they intersect each other at right angles? Use a scale and protractor. Children, we know that the diagonals of a square are equal and they intersect each other at right angle. You can verify this by measuring diagonals AC and BD and angle of intersection like DOC and AOD and AOB and BOC with protractor yourselves. Question 2. On a Cartesian plane, draw a square whose points of intersection of the diagonals is 8, 3 and one vertex is 6, 1. Children, first of all we form a Cartesian plane like this. Here we take one weak division is equal to 1 units on the both axes. So numbers are like this, and we try to put the given points 8, 3 and 6, 1 on this Cartesian plane. At first we plot point 6, 1. 6, 1 falls here, and second point is 8, 3 that falls 8, 3 here. Now we join 6 both points. This point is intersection of the diagonal, and this point is vertex. Intersection of point let O and let this point is A. A is 6, 1 and coordinates of point O is 8, 3. Children, we know point of intersection of the diagonals of a square bisect the diagonals. So we produce AO such that AO to C such that AO is equal to OC. After that we draw a perpendicular line and other perpendicular line from C and other perpendicular line from A. Both perpendicular line intersect at this point. This point will be let B. After that, similarly, we draw a horizontal line, a perpendicular horizontal line from C and a vertical perpendicular line from A. Both lines intersect at this point. This point will be D. Thus, our square is completed. ABCD is a square. Okay, children. Thank you.